Trying to say I'm heavy.
You don't see the pop down?
You know, say disgusting. We should really pop it down. Oh, you don't hear green sofa, huh? Oh, big batty girl that you watch.
Yes, your Bex.
Oh, so you admit say I watch one big batty girl. That's when you cut the two eye them. Good morning and welcome back to the William family. If you're new, welcome. If you're an OB, welcome back. So today I am just here. I just actually finished doing up my hair and just braided it in two. So I just pinned it down because I'm not doing much today. So that is pretty much what I just did. I'm supposed to do Rissa's hair today, so I'm gonna do her hair to last her for the rest of this month. We're in the last month of August. Well, we're in the last month of summer, which is August. Believe it. Oh my gosh, winter is almost here. Oh my goodness. I was thinking about getting my nails done. I haven't had that. I think I actually need one of those nice pampered days. So I got my hair, did my hair and stuff like that and braided it up. So I felt a little bit, you know, I need to get my nails done. I just took off some nail polish. I need to do something. And I just got my tea and I was actually here doing some behind the scenes work. I have to get some stuff done. So that is what I'm currently just in my room doing. And as you see, it's pretty much dark in here as usual, which is not good. It is not good. It's not a good state of mind to be in. They said it's actually when you're always in your room and in the dark room, it's a form of depression. So that's why I try to find things to do so you don't get in that state of mind. But some days it's just gloomy outside and I don't like, because it's been raining a lot. We've gotten a little bit of the storm from America side, so it's been raining a lot and it's just been dark and gloomy outside and there hasn't been that much to do, like literally. Even with the kids, they haven't really gone out to do that much. Like they don't want to go to the park, and I would even recommend them going to the park regardless, because even though Canada is fully in, we've been in stage 3 I think since last week, like everything is open back up, I still don't recommend going to the park, because what are you gonna do? Everything that those other kids are touching, and you don't know who's positive, who has COVID from who doesn't, and they're touching the bars, like everything, monkey bars, everything, and then your child and go and touch it, you're gonna wipe it down everywhere they play. So yeah, the kids are just not up for that. They're generally they've pretty much been housebound since March, so from March break till now, and that's what, March, April, May, June, July, August, 5 months, and going in September. So this is my debate right now. Well, it's not necessarily up for debate. Me and hubby sat down and we had a discussion about, like, because the schools are opening back, but you also have the option to opt your kids them out of school, like keep them home so they're homeschooled and stuff like that, or put them into school, but then you still run the risk of your child contracting COVID, you know, and becoming positive. So that's something that as a parent you also have to think about. But I think what we decided to do, that we were gonna opt out to keep the kids them home and homeschool, so they will be doing their learning online, because at the end of the day it's going to be the future. The future is pretty much coming. Like, a lot of things are not expected to come so soon, but as you guys see, we are going into the future, right? A lot of stores that you go to nowadays, they don't want you using cash. It's only You either have a credit card or you have a debit card, and that's the way the future is going to be, right? Just like how we've been a number, like your social security number, we've been a number for years. That's how you pretty much recognize your form of ID. So it's everything, it's only a matter of time before things start to be like that. And having a teaching job, it's going to phase out, right? You soon will have a robot but teaching you, where everything is online, and the kids, they just get their stuff and they do it online, hand it in, you get your marks. So, and that is the way things are going to be. It's just, I guess, coming a little bit sooner than a lot of people thought, but that's a part of life, you know. You just gotta deal with it, and deal with it the best you know how. And I know for a lot of people are not used to change, and it's hard for them to adjust to change, but that's just part of life. But I am just here. So I have my notepad here, and as you can see, I got a lot of things. And yes, for those that don't know, we started a Saturday night live, which is called Straight Talk No Chaser. So if you guys have not caught any of those videos yet live, make sure you guys tune in. We usually go in at about 9:30, 9:45 Eastern time. So based on where you live, or what part of the world you're from, the time zone will be different. So we usually go around that time, because a lot of people were opting for around that time or later. And it's just, we talk about everything. So I tell you guys, send in your topics on what you want to talk about, as relationship wise, finance wise, cheating, kids, having kids at a young age, dealing with relationship and social media. We talk about any and everything. So you guys definitely should tune in, and yeah, check it out and let us know what you guys think. I hope you guys have been enjoying the topic so far. I know the first live, actually, you know, I'm so grateful for the turnout. It went really good. So we're hoping that the other ones them continue, they get bigger and bigger. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all the support in advance. And yes, thank you to all my William fam that's been checking up on me and making sure that I am good. Thank you very much. I love the support, and you know, just the pleasant messages that I wake up in my DM sometimes and see, like, thank you. And yeah, thank for the ones that reach out and, you know, just to say hi, ask me how my day is. Thank you. You guys come in, like, you guys are like my internet family. So thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys been showing us. And sure, thank you guys. We're almost at 2K. We're almost at 2K, guys. So yeah, we're coming from far, and I am grateful for every one of you that's been watching and have been subscribing and sharing our videos. So thank you guys very much for that. We really love and appreciate all that you guys have been doing. So I'm trying to get up some new content. I will have an announcement to make, but I probably will make it later on in a different, maybe a different vlog. I will come and address that and let you guys know what that announcement will be. But for now, I'm just, well, we're still sleeping. Like, all the kids are still sleeping in the house. I think probably Memphis is probably up, but generally he's up. He's just playing his game. Faith was up, so she came in here. And it's early. It's early. I guess I just been on this journey where I'm up. I generally, sometimes I get up the same time as hubby as he goes to work, or I'm up about like 7 o'clock, and I just find things to do. And like, I like to keep my notebook right beside my bed. So when I get ideas, like for videos and stuff and like topics, I tend to write them down. See, it says create your own ideas. So, and this book is almost full, so I actually need another book as well. And you know, I love me a notebook. So when I have like even ideas pertaining to like business aspect, like just different things, I like to jot them down and I could always refer to them. So, and on top of that, yes, like even when, so yeah, that's pretty much what I am here doing. And yeah, so your girl's just here sitting, just relaxing, taking it easy, and I just wanted to come by and just see what you guys are up to. So as you guys see, I'm about to start Rissa's hair. I figure I'm just gonna give her some braids in her hair. I'm just gonna do some twists in her hair, just so it will be easier for her to just get up and do her hair until, yeah, it's just an easy style I'm going to do. So I guess I will show you guys it when I am finished, so stay tuned for that video. So I am almost finished Rissa's hair. I'm about to actually, we're stopping for lunch, so I'm halfway done. So it's just the top that's left to do. So I'm gonna finish the top when I come back. I am hungry. Let me show you guys what I got for day lunch. So we got some nice Rasta pasta here from Chef Mike. Kudos to Chef Mike. I am hungry. I can't wait to eat some of this. We're about to dig in. So we're gonna watch a movie as I do that. So I'm gonna stop Rissa's hair for now. I'm just gonna kind of set it up for the next part, and we're going to eat, and then I'm gonna come back and finish her hair. So didn't take that long, and I did them bigger, and then I'm just gonna do the bottom. So I'm gonna put up her hair, and me and the girls are just here and gonna find a movie to watch and stuff like that. Yeah, so I guess I will be back. We're trying to finish Arissa's hair. Faith downstairs, thank God that girl knows how to cook, to throw down in the kitchen. So she started cooking for me, which is good. This morning I started making boiling the saltfish and stuff like that, and had it soaking. So she's making the dumpling. I gotta go cut up the yam. She's never cut up yam before, and I don't want her cutting that up. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm just trying to get quarter well, I'm always quarter way finish her hair. So this side's already done. Just gonna want to do these two, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and we'll see what Faith's doing, and pretty much have everything done. Rissa just moved the chair and almost fell. So that is what I am here doing. So we're almost finished. Didn't take that long, and at least she will have this to last her for the rest of the summer, and she don't have to worry about getting up to comb her. Rasta pasta, jerk chicken was amazing, and jerk chicken, it was good. It was off the chain. So it was a nice little lunch break, and we watched a movie, and now I'm here watching another movie while she's getting her hair done. So we're just gonna get that finished. So Arissa just finished taking a shower and finally finished her hair. So that is what I did. I just did some cornrows at the front, cornrow, cane row, however you want to say it, and I just did the back. So, and then I just curled the back like this. It's an easy go-to, and that way she can do her hair herself. So because she likes to put it up in ponytails, when she's ready she'll put it half up, half down, and this will serve her for the rest of the summer. And it's also a good hairstyle that you can do for, well, school as well, because that hairstyle, if actually kept intact, can last her up to a month, as long as it's properly taken. Hubby is home. I am exhausted. Yeah, I am exhausted. I need to go and take a shower. Oh, dinner finished cooking, so I gotta bring back these stuff downstairs. So Bobby's downstairs. He hasn't showered yet. I don't think he's eating. He's eating. What are you smiling about? Huh? What's the smile on your face for? Huh, Snookums?
Hello, may match up is here.
May match up the what?
Okay.
The chair? Really? So what are you trying to say? I'm heavy?
You don't see the pop down?
You know, say disgusting.
No.
We should really pop it down. Eh? No, you don't hear green sofa, huh? I want big batty girl that you watch.
Yes, your Bex.
Eh? Oh, so you admit say I watch one big batty girl. That's when you cut your two eye them.
Hello.
Hmm?
What you do?
You hear people in the top button and watch one big batty girl? Eh? For my batty not big enough for you. Eh? What? That's okay. It's just our little inside joke, guys. It's a regular thing. A little inside joke where we have. So yeah. So Rissa's about to eat. The other two, I guess they ain't hungry as yet because they ate. How was dinner, babe? Good? Well, it must be good because the plate is clean. The only thing there is the fork and of course the peppers.
Really, Simon, get to know.
So that is pretty much it. So I'm going to go and finish, well, clean up the room. So I gotta clean up my work area that I worked in. And Faith, yes guys, Faith did a good job at making dinner for me because I wasn't able to really get that much done. So she cooked and stuff like that so I could finish doing Rissa's hair because it's been long overdue and I was supposed to get her hair done about 2 weeks ago. I said I was gonna get it done and I didn't do it. So I'm glad I did it. I finally did it because I got up and I did my hair. Well, got up and tried to look like somebody this morning. So that is about it. We're just winding down. I'm gonna go shower, then hubby's gonna go shower, and we'll probably.
So I make you say you first. You did a whole day for shower, me a shower little.
Really, babes?
You know what time now?
For me
9
time.
o'clock.
Your face favor 9 o'clock. For me time. So why can't I shower before you? Eh? Mr. Williams, why can't I shower before you?
Yeah, from
Me there from and look how long you come here and eat and sit down here. They watch Simon and himself. Eh? And ding dong ya kin teeth with Simon. Hmm? See, look, guys, look, watch it. Eh? In this indong ya kin teeth with Simon, look, he can't even look up. Eh? That's why I'm calling Big Batty Girl indong ya kin teeth with. They watch show. I always enough time I always see a man they grin so like from ear to ear. You want if a big batty girl then they look pan. Make them grin so. But anyway guys, I don't think we're doing much for the rest of the day. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wait, me really do what? Me yawn cause I and I tired. You know, so me just finished work. You know, one question we may have, why is it that men eyelashes are always longer than females? Can anybody tell me that? They have some long girly lashes now. Maybe pull out some of them and put some of them in for me. It's so crazy how women, as women, like, you know, we always, you see, we wear the fake lashes because we want that long, you know, long eyelash, you know, when you bat them and, you know, then just come through and they just make you look even popping like when you wear them. And you have men that are born and boys that are born, they're just born with like, the guys are born with long eyelashes. You figure yourself a female, the females are supposed to be born with the long, you know, lashes, but it's generally males that have it. Cause me look for my girls, them Memphis lashes is actually longer than theirs, but he does have long eyelashes. Mine are long, but they just curl. Only when we put on a mascara, like a lot of people always tell me, say my eyelash them look fake. I get it so often. People are always like, where do you buy your eyelashes? I was like, they're mine. But I always said that I'm gonna I don't even know how I got into talking about eyelash on here. Okay guys, good night. Say good night, Mr. Williams. See, did you ever know I've been sitting there for how long watching him? You starting to grin? What is it called? Is it American Rising Stars?
Yes, American Rising Star.
I know me, I mix up American Rising Star with Jamaicans in there. Jamaican Rising Star. What is it? Whatever. American Idol. I him there to watch. I think. Like that's what it's called. It's so into the and he just in it and he just the grin so. Oh my gosh. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend. Wait a minute, hold on, what's this? Don't forget to tell a friend to join the Williams family. And yes guys, I will catch you all in the next one. Stay blessed guys.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you. Cause everybody needs somebody.